How can I not be happy all day? I'm from the streets of Africa. Even if I don't have no money, my nigga Tunde by the bar. Back home they call me Oluwa Burner, cause I'm so...
So as you can see, this wig is lifeless, it's old, it look, I don't know, just boring. I've had it for 2 years. I'm gonna use flexi rods to bring it back to life. So let's see how it goes. Let's see. So after you've already rolled the flexi rods with the hair, you have to tie the flexi rods the opposite direction so that way it can stay. As you can see, it's in the opposite direction. As you can see, I am all done with the flexi rods. Yay! So I am spraying the hair with water. I did mix it with some barely any leave-in conditioner. The water kind of helped the hair curls more. I'm gonna leave mine outside to dry. But yes, you can also use your dryer or whatever you use to dry your hair. So mine is all dried. As I said, I left mine outside to dry. I'm over here in Texas, so it is crazy hot. Why not leave it outside? But let's see what it actually look like now since it's dried. So now, since everything is done, I'm just gonna spray some leave-in conditioner to give it some life, and I'm barely spraying anything because you don't want to put too much oil in your hair. That's gonna make it look heavy, and that's not a good look. But yeah. Okay, we're all done. So this is a very simple way for you to fix your hair if you don't have time to curl it with a curling iron.